Lights, camera, action. Hey movie stars! Splash here, ready to explore the most magical place in California, Hollywood. Get your imagination ready as we discover how your favorite movies come to life. Watch closely as we begin our star-studded adventure. And action. 100 years ago, Hollywood started telling amazing stories with moving pictures. The famous Hollywood sign began as a simple ad, but became a symbol of dreams coming true. Today, huge studios like Disney and Universal create magical movies that travel around the world. Did you know your favorite superheroes and animated friends were born right here in California? That's what makes Hollywood so incredible. Want to see how cartoons come to life? Talented animators draw thousands of pictures that dance when shown super fast. Watch as my stick figure comes alive and dances across the screen. These days, powerful computers help create incredible 3D worlds full of colorful characters, but it all starts with imagination. And those fun character voices you hear? That's the magic of voice acting. Listen to my movie star impression. Ready for some amazing movie secrets? Look at this special green screen. It's like a magical wall that can transform into anything. From outer space to underwater worlds, even dragon castles. Those movie sound effects often come from everyday things. Coconut shells make perfect horse hooves. Makeup artists turn actors into aliens and animals, while special effects add the final touch of movie magic. But wait, there's more entertainment magic. Our amazing theme parks like Disneyland and Universal Studios let you jump right into your favorite stories. Imagine sailing with pirates or zooming through space. Plus, your favorite TV shows come to life in giant studios. Dream of working in entertainment? You could direct movies, design superhero costumes, or create magical animations. What an incredible Hollywood adventure! We've uncovered movie-making secrets, learned about animation, and discovered where dreams become reality. Remember, you could be part of this magical world someday. Next time, we're heading to California's amazing national parks, where we'll meet the tallest trees in the world. Until then, this is Splash saying, that's a wrap. Cowabunga. You did it, adventurers! Subscribe and like to enjoy new stories every day. Scan the QR code for freebies like Coloring Book and Storybook. Link is also available in the video description section. Check it out and have fun. Bye.